Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best smartwatches. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, many believe fitness trackers only count steps and calories. As a certified fitness coach, I see deeper wellness needs. True health requires personalized insights, not just basic tracking. That's why I recommend the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Its Galaxy AI analyzes your daily activity for tailored feedback. Start each morning with your energy score. Know your readiness. This score uses yesterday's data for today's performance. Heart rate tracking is more accurate, filtering out movement noise. Get real-time feedback for safer, more effective workouts. Wellness tips offer actionable suggestions based on your habits. Sleep monitoring reveals patterns and detects sleep apnea risks. Insights are collected by your watch and analyzed on your phone. My clients report improved energy and sleep after using it. Ready to push past yesterday? Choose Galaxy Watch 7 today. Track, analyze, and achieve your best every single day. Visit our site to learn more and get yours now. Number 4, Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch. Ever wake up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? I used to guess if I was ready for a tough workout, but my results were all over the place. No real progress. Then I tried the Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch. It gives me a daily readiness score every morning. Now I know exactly when to push myself or take it easy. With 40 plus exercise modes, I track everything from yoga to HIIT. Built-in GPS maps my runs, no phone needed. I get calls, texts, and notifications right on my wrist. Sleep tracking shows my sleep stages and gives personalized tips. Stress management tools help me stay balanced and mindful. Battery lasts over 6 days, no more daily charging stress. The sleek waterfall blue design looks great with any outfit. Plus, 6 months of Fitbit Premium unlocks advanced insights. If you want smarter workouts and better health, give Versa 4 a try. Ready to level up your fitness? Tap to learn more. Number 3, meet the Smartwatch, your wrist's new overachiever. 1.85 Hz HD touchscreen, like a mini movie theater for your arm. Make and answer calls with built-in HD speaker. No more phone juggling. Read notifications from Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. Wrist Gossip Central. Customize with 200 plus dials or your favorite selfie. Fashion meets function. Heart rate, sleep, and steps tracked 24/7. Your personal health detective. Comprehensive sleep analysis. Finally, proof you're not just napping. 120 plus sports modes. If jogging was an Olympic sport, you'd win gold. Record steps, calories, and more. Your fitness is at no math required. IP68 waterproof, rain, swim, or dishwashing. It's basically Aquaman. Timer, stopwatch, alarm, music control. Your wrist is now a Swiss Army knife. Find your phone, control your camera. Goodbye frantic pocket padding. Female cycle tracking, because your watch cares more than your ex. 350 mAh battery, 7 days of use, 30 days standby, 2-hour charge. Compatible with Android and iOS, no smartphone left behind. For fitness fans, tech lovers, and health heroes, your wrist upgrade awaits. Number 2, smartwatch for women men. Ready for an upgrade? Meet your new fitness partner. Imagine answering calls right from your wrist at the gym. 1.966 HD touchscreen delivers vivid visuals and smooth interaction. Customize with 200 plus watch faces or your own photos. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable, clear call and message notifications. Stay connected. Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and more vibrate alerts. Track a heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and sleep 24/7. View weekly health reports to monitor your progress. 110 plus sport modes, running, cycling, hiking, football, and beyond. IP68 waterproof design, no worries during workouts or rain. Real-time tracking, steps, calories, distance, and heart rate. Useful tools, timer, alarm, music, camera control, calculator. Fast charging 2 hours for up to 7 days of use. Compatible with Android and iOS for seamless integration. Transform your daily routine with smart, stylish technology. Take control, get your smartwatch now, and elevate your life. Number 1. Meet the Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen, your wrist's new best friend. 40mm of sleek midnight aluminum, like a tuxedo for your arm. GPS built in so you'll never get lost jogging or chasing ice cream trucks. Track heart rate, sleep, and workouts. Your health coach minus the yelling. Crash detection. Alerts help faster than your mom's group texts. Fall detection, because gravity sometimes wins, but you don't have to lose. Send texts, take calls, stream music. Your phone's jealous now. Siri on your wrist. Ask questions, get answers. Avoid awkward silences. Carbon neutral design, saving the planet one stylish loop at a time. Swim proof up to 50 mm. Dive in, just don't challenge dolphins. Customizable bands and faces, match your mood, outfit, or pizza toppings. Unlock your Mac, pay with Apple Pay, James Bond but with receipts. AppleCare Plus covers unlimited repairs, like a spa day for your watch. Set up for kids, keep them safe, connected, and only mildly annoyed. 3 months Apple Fitness Plus free. Get fit before your couch notices. Apple Watch SE, the smart sidekick your wrist deserves. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.